Hi, Corey here at Janilink, and I wanted to briefly talk to you about our flat mops. Our handles extend up to 72 inches. It's made of aluminum, so it's a lot sturdier than plastic mops that some people use. It also has holes where you can insert microfiber rags or yellow dust cloths. And these work like a magnet, and they're very disposable, so you can use it, throw it away. Whereas with pads, you have to clean them, and they are easy to change out as well. But real quick, I wanted to show you all how these dust cloths work.